Halo cyclist, welcome to Bikespa TV, channel yang menayangkan lifestyle tentang sepeda. Halo teman-teman, apa kabar? Balik lagi dengan gue Davidson di sini dan udah lama banget ya Bikespa dan gue muncul lagi di YouTube. Nah teman-teman, di konten kali ini menurut gue konten yang spesial banget nih buat gue pribadi dan Bikespa juga. Karena apa? Karena di awal Agustus kemarin gue dapat banget kesempatan langka, yaitu diundang sama tim Winspace Bicycles untuk datang ke Xiamen, Cina. Nah di sana selama seminggu di sana gue diundang sama bosnya yaitu Steven. Bisa dibilang factory visit lah. Steven mengundang gue secara pribadi buat ngasih lihat nih di Winspace tuh kantornya kayak apa sih, factory-nya kayak apa sih, gimana sih cara proses pembuatan frame dan wheelsetnya, gimana sih QC-nya juga. Dan gue juga dapat kesempatan untuk nyobain 4 sepeda andalannya Winspace. Nah, penasaran kan sama aktivitas gue di sana? Tapi sebelum itu gue mau ingetin dulu nih teman-teman untuk klik lonceng untuk terus update dengan konten terbaru dari Bikespa TV.
Hello, Davidson.
Hey.
Really, warm welcome to Winspace.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So let's show you a factory tour of Winspace.
Yep.
Okay. So this is our brand color is blue. Yeah. Blue like ocean, like a passion. Okay. So let me show you. Here is our R&D department. R&D. So here we have staff can create 2D, 3D all the drawings.
Okay.
Yeah. So we design all our models in house.
Jadi di sini tempat dimana R&D biasanya orang-orang tuh mau bikin, sebelum bikin sepeda dia bikin 2D-nya dulu, 3D-nya dulu, baru next-nya kayak apa gitu. Okay. And here is my office. Okay, you have a lot of big office, yeah?
Yeah, you can have a look. So I read a lot of books.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also I study in Xiamen University for EMBA.
MBA.
MBA.
Okay. So jadi teman-teman, ini kantornya Steven, kantor gede banget ya dibandingkan kantor yang lain. Jadi si Steven juga suka baca banget, jadi emang hobinya Steven tuh baca. Jadi gak heran kalau Steven punya banyak buku.
Yeah, and I create this company so far is 16 years.
16 years.
History. Yeah.
Jadi si Steven tuh udah bikin company tuh sekitar 16 tahun. Jadi pengalamannya untuk soal sepeda itu udah banyak banget. Jadi teman-teman tuh jangan ragu deh buat beli Winspace.
Yes, Winspace number one racing brand in China is not earliest brand, and also we become leading brand in China. We have lots of distributions. We distribute more than 500 shops in China.
That's a lot, yeah.
Also 200 shops in Japan.
Okay.
Yeah, and also some in Indonesia.
Yeah, my country.
Also we sponsor your national team, KGB. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
So teman-teman yang tadi Steven bilang, jadi si Winspace itu adalah brand besar nih di Cina. Jadi di Cina juga, di Cina udah punya 500 bike shop, di Jepang 200, dan termasuk di Indonesia. Dan Winspace sendiri adalah mensponsori tim KGB di Indonesia, which is tim KGB itu terkenal lah di tim sepeda balapnya.
Yeah, so in future you can invite more like Indonesian riders here in Xiamen. In future, you can show some riders here, so we can.
Jadi Steven bilang tadi mungkin suatu saat aku bisa ngajak nih teman-teman cyclist di Indonesia buat datang ke sini lihat-lihat Winspace factory-nya.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go to production line.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I can't wait. Oh, this is big, Steven.
Yeah. So all the wheels, hyper wheels. Yeah. All we build the wheels here by hand.
By hand, yeah.
So high-end products usually by hand.
Yes.
Yes. And we build 1 year, around the year, more than 10,000 pairs.
10,000.
More than 10,000 pairs.
More than 10,000.
Yeah.
Oke, jadi teman-teman tadi Steven bilang ini adalah tempat bikin wheelsetnya si Lone Hyper nih. Jadi si Steven juga bilang kalau wheelset frame itu dan di sini tuh mereka masih bikin pakai tangan. Jadi aku cukup kagum ya bahwa mereka masih building by hands, right?
Yeah, all by hand.
Setahun tuh dia bisa bikin 10.000 sampai 20.000 produksinya.
Okay, so let's go. So here is our Hyper 3
Oh, this is
generation.
the new
Hyper
one.
3, yeah, new one.
Nice.
You see it's a wider spoke.
Spoke.
Yeah, more aerodynamic.
Yep.
Yeah,
It's a carbon spoke, right?
Yeah, it's carbon spoke.
Yeah.
Yeah. And even more strong.
Yeah, more stiff
more
and
aerodynamic, more strong. Yeah, even lighter.
yeah.
Even lighter.
Nah, jadi teman-teman, ini adalah wheelset terbaru dari Lone Wheels yang namanya Hyper 3. Jadi Hyper 3 ini bedanya apa sama yang sebelum-sebelumnya? Jadi dia bikin spoke-nya lebih lebar dan dia bikin spoke-nya dari karbon. Jadi si wheelset ini nggak cuman lebih stiff tapi juga aerodynamic. Dan yang paling penting udah dua itu dapet, si wheelsetnya tetap enteng. Hebat kan si Lone Wheels kan?
Okay.
There is any profile for Hyper 3?
Yes. We have like a low profile, even medium, high.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually same like a ring height as Hyper 23.
Oh, okay.
Same. Yeah. Okay. And now people is assembling. Here is assembling the wheels. They are all really skilled.
Sorry?
They are skilled wheel builder. Skilled.
Oh, yeah. Skilled.
For builder for wheel for many years.
Okay.
For so many years.
Jadi teman-teman nih, tadi Steven bilang orang-orang yang di sini tuh udah berpengalaman banget soal wheel building nih. Jadi nggak perlu khawatir deh untuk soal kualitas si wheelsetnya sendiri.
Okay, so let's
Okay.
go. So it's doing the release the force.
Oke.
Release the force. So every wheel will do 3 times.
Oke.
After tuning, and then we do this, as the wheel go back to tuning.
Okay.
And then we do 3 times.
So this is like a stress test.
Yes. Stress release.
After the throwing, they give us stress.
Yeah.
Then they will
And go back.
Yeah, check.
Go back tuning. Check the tolerance and the loudness.
Oke, jadi nah teman-teman, jadi prosesnya kan setelah di throwing pertama, lalu si wheelset itu akan dibawa ke stress test nih. Jadi stress test itu mereka akan kasih force ke wheelsetnya secara 3 kali. Nanti mereka akan cek lagi nih by hand si wheelsetnya adakah ada perubahan, apakah harus di throwing lagi. Jadi mereka melakukan banyak tahap sih untuk melakukan tesnya. So what's next after stress test?
We go to QC track station. So here we have all the standards. For QC.
Okay.
For all like really strict. Strict. Yes.
So jadi ini teman-teman ini nih bisa dibilang ini chartnya ketika mereka melakukan QC. Jadi pasti ada case by case mereka mempelajari sesuatu. Jadi mereka tulis atau pasanglah di dinding ini supaya mereka juga bisa saling ingat, belajar juga.
Okay. And then we go here. We go to the QC station here.
It's measuring the tension, right?
Yes. Measuring the tension
Of the spoke.
and also the loudness, tolerance.
Okay.
And all the data come in the
Digitally.
computer software.
So nih teman-teman, jadi kan tadi udah di wheel, terus dikasih stress, dicek lagi, habis dikasih stress, maka yang selanjutnya itu adalah ke QC. Jadi di sini kakaknya nih dia ngecek si tensionnya, pressure-nya apakah konsisten, terus toleransinya bagaimana. Dan yang hebatnya lagi nih, dia udah digitalisasi, jadi mereka bisa lihat datanya precise banget. Jadi hebat sih Lone Wheels, to be honest. This your QC is very nice.
Okay, okay. And also, because now we use a digital meter, so all the tolerance need to be like
Small.
under small, 0.25
yeah.
meter milli.
Okay.
Okay. Usually the industry standard is 0.3 meter milli. So we do 0.25 meter
Oh,
milli.
yes.
Better.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Let's move on.
So here is our complete bags assembling.
Oh, complete bike. So
Yeah.
you sell complete bikes?
Yeah, in China, yeah.
Oh, in China.
Yeah, in China we also sell complete bags.
Okay. So only China
China in-
region? You
Yeah,
sell?
soon you have to sell to Indonesia for complete bags.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So you can see lots of demo bags.
Demo bike.
Yeah, in China, you know, we have two big vans, and then we put the bags go to the local, so hold the events.
Yeah.
yeah. For
So the
promotion.
people can try.
Can try,
yeah,
can try,
and
yeah.
try together with
Yeah.
local bike shop.
Yeah, sure.
How many bikes how many bikes you can make for like?
You mean for one day?
Yeah,
For one day, about 50 bags.
50 bikes. That's a
50
lot.
bags, yes. So now the staff is building the new 1550.
Oh, the second generation.
Yeah.
Nice. I like
And
this color.
And you know how we improved this bike?
Yes.
Yeah. So firstly, we made the geometry more comfortable.
Oh.
Geometry. This is one thing, and then also we used latest technology of free one piece.
Oh. Okay.
So in the past, usually we'll mold the first triangle.
Oh yeah, front triangle.
And then rear, and then bonding together.
Yeah.
But now it's fully one piece.
Oh, fully one piece.
So here there is no bonding,
Yeah,
so
okay.
the power can be transited more smoothly.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah. Also less weight.
Okay.
Yeah. And so far this bike, the painting is La Volta.
Level fashion.
2 hours span.
Yeah.
In China, we.
4 months in?
Yeah. You guys, how many back frames we sold just in 2 months? You
Okay.
guys, how many?
How many?
So far we sold about near 1,000.
Oh,
Just
1,000.
in less than 3 months.
Oh.
So very popular in China. Yeah.
There's a large number in
Yeah.
if you're selling 1,000.
Yeah. Just in short time because we released this bike in May beginning.
Oh, maybe.
So in less than 3 months we sold nearly 1,000 pieces.
That's good.
Okay.
Nah, jadi teman-teman tadi yang Steven bilang, ini adalah model Winspace T1550 yang paling terbaru nih. Jadi aku bilangnya ini the second generation. Bedanya apa sih the second generation sama yang first generation? Yang pertama dia udah bottom bracketnya udah T47, dan yang menariknya lagi, jadi Steven bilang sebelumnya kalau mereka tuh bikin frame itu biasanya front triangle-nya dulu sama rear triangle ya, baru mereka terakhirnya bonding together. Tapi sekarang mereka udah jadi one piece, jadi molding aja jadi satu. Itu akan menghasilkan apa? Jadi si frame-nya akan jadi bikin riding-nya lebih smooth gitu kan. Dan yang menariknya juga tuh si yang model second generation ini geometrinya dia ada perubahan nih, jadi more relax. Jadi sepedanya udah aero kenceng tapi relax. Butuh sepeda apa lagi? Ini sih menurut saya udah komplit banget nih jadinya. Ya.
Yes, and also now we use the T47 BB. Yeah, and also you can see here is no
holes ya.
holes,
Yeah.
more aerodynamic.
Aerodynamic,
Here is also our patents. Yeah. Yes, and also higher height too. Yeah, and you know this model we launched in 2017.
Oh, 2017. Yes.
Yeah, so already how many years?
Yeah.
About 7 years.
Yes.
So this model is our flagship.
Okay.
Really, also here here like a tail, we call it T-tail. Is really
Your signature?
yeah, is also for aerodynamic, and also is our patent.
Oh, it's your.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
our
You
patent.
patent this.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, in China. Because in 2017, we are first company to use this.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, and then we send this bike to Japan for winter no test. So data is also really good data.
Yeah.
So this afternoon you can try this bike to see how it feels.
fast this bike,
Yeah,
you
this
know?
bike. The controlling, also the performance. Yeah, speed. Yes.
Oke. Jadi tadi Steven bilang di yang second di T1550 ini yang paling kelihatan tuh si lubangnya nggak kelihatan nih. Jadi teman-teman yang tadinya biasanya di sini ada lubang true axle-nya, sekarang udah nggak ada. Sama warnanya tuh terinspirasi sama kalau temen tahu La Vuelta Espanya. Jadi ini adalah livery-nya mereka dan ternyata model ini tuh udah ada dari tahun 2017, jadi experience-nya, dan ini menjadi sepeda flagship-nya Winspace. Dan ternyata model T-shape ini udah dipatenin sama mereka gitu. Jadi ini adalah signature-nya model dari Winspace.
Hyper.
Oh, this for me?
Yeah, for
Gitu
you.
ya.
Okay.
It's very-
The move? You can can we open?
Oh, it's very
So we
hard.
cannot open.
Oh, yeah. It's okay.
Probably sound.
Ini adalah tempat di mana si karbon itu, aku bilangnya kayak dimasak ya, jadi di bake. Itu untuk satu frame sama satu wheelset itu membutuhkan masing-masing 1 jam untuk proses bakingnya gitu.